Hey folks, Mr. McStache, welcome to the channel. How you doing today? I was tagged by Road Rash HD to do the what you wear when you ride. Do you guys hear that? Anyhow, I was tagged by. Hang on, I gotta find out what's going on. Jiminy Christmas! What in the Knuckles TV are you doing? Protecting my kinfolk from what? Pam? What do you mean, Pam? I watched Blue Bike Doyle's channel, and he said there was a Pam out here hurting people. Pam who? Pandemic. You are crazy. Now be quiet. I'm trying to make a video. Oh my goodness, that ain't right, folks. He got something wrong in the head.
Oh, you didn't know?
Mr. McStache, welcome to the channel. We're here in the garage with my sticker board. What I wear when I ride. Now, there was a day when I was riding, you'd catch me in this. My Harley coat with my Harley vest and the big mustache. Buddy, I had it going on. But as you can see on my vest here, I collect pins. Pins of everywhere I've been. These are all pins from Rolling Thunder. I had pins from all the Harley dealerships, but that starts getting heavy after a while, and that'll beat you up. This gets heavy after a while, and it's hot, and it ain't no good in the rain. If it rains, you got to pull over and you stop and put your raincoat on, and then take your raincoat off, and put your raincoat on. I'm way beyond that now. I'm past that. So I'm going to give you what I wear when I ride. Now, jacket. Big shout out to my people at Wicked Stock. Love their stuff. This is a denier, I think is how you call it, jacket. It has a raincoat on the inside. It has an insulator that I can put inside there if I need. Or I can ride it with just the denier, and it has the vent holes and all that. I've done a video on this before, but this is the way to go. You get hot, you unzip, you allow the air to flow through, it's good. You're riding along, and the rain comes along. What? I'm not wet. Look at that. Now, by the time it soaks into the fabric, you still have a removable rain liner in here. I'm dry. I'm always dry. Plus, it comes with the armor. I don't use the armor. It comes with the armor. But anyway, I'm protected here between here and the ground. I wear that. Like I said, depending on the weather, I can take the liner out because the liner does get hot sometimes. These are my HWK pants. Again, they come with the armor. Same waterproof resistant, same lining inside, has the air vents if you need them. Excellent. I think they're 600 denier also. At the time, Wicked Stock did not have pants, so I bought HKC. They have the zipper in the back, which matches up with the zipper in the back of the jacket. So that breeze you get up your skirt back here, you don't get that with this setup. Plus the abrasion proof, it keeps you very, very safe. Now that is what I wear when I do my motorcycle escort. You've seen that when I do funeral escorts. You've seen me, if you follow my Instagram, in the snow, in the rain. People die and they have funerals no matter what the weather is. That stuff right there will keep you in good shape for that. Gloves. As the weather gets colder, I do put some gloves on with the guards in them, the armored gloves. Those are field shear. Love them. They was actually giving them to me, but I love them. Now, as far as helmet, I know I'm going to get a lot of flack over this, but when I'm escorting, I wear this. It also has a motovlog setup if I want to. But when I'm escorting, I wear this. 3/4 helmet, keeps the ears warm, keeps me covered, because as I said, they do not pay attention. I got lights and sirens and horns that'll wake the dead. Pun in there. But they do not see you, so I wear a 3/4 there. When I'm riding personal, I wear a half helmet, and I know everybody says it's not going to protect your head, it's not going to protect your head. Well, personally, I can't see real well with a full face helmet. I know they say that's crap, that's crap. Let me tell you what, this camera right here, and you can see it's around the side of the, I can see that, and that irritates the crap out of me at times. So, say what you want to say about peripheral vision. I can see it. Now that being said, that I wear this, I did go down at less than 35 miles an hour. I did have a bad wreck. I was in ICU for 4 days. But there is no substitute for skill. If you cannot go to a church or a school parking lot and do a figure 8 inside of 4 parking spaces, keep practicing. There is no exception for skill. You can wear everything you want to wear. If you're not a talented rider, you're going to go down. The reason I wear so much more when I'm doing the motorcycle escort, because it's not just my responsibility. I'm sitting in the middle of an intersection stopping traffic. I'm not just trying to motivate down the road and watch everybody else. I'm also putting myself in harm's way, so I wear extra protection for that. But again, there is no substitute for talent and skill. If you're going to ride, take your motorcycle safety course. Most of you probably already have. Take the advanced course. After taking the advanced course, I think there's 2 actual advanced courses that the states offer. Even after that, there are police-style courses that I suggest very much taking. Safety, 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 guys. That's what I can say. That's the biggest thing I wear when I ride. Is safety. Now that that's over with, all right, folks. Now that that's over with, I need to nominate 3 people for the "What You Wear When You Ride" video. So here we go. Gesto and Lane. Them 2 goofy cats. Yeah, check them out. They're pretty cool. Gesto and Lane. I nominate you for that stuff. Viper 918. I nominate you, man. That's my 2nd nomination. My 3rd nomination is going to be MOTOSARGE, down there in Georgia. Friends with the Dirty Thumbs Up guy. Speaking of my stickers, we got some mail here, folks, so we're going to go through some of this. If I can keep them on the seat here. All right, first one comes from Chopper Fett, and let me tell you, folks, if you get anything from Chopper Fett, it's like getting into Fort Knox. I've been to Fort Knox, and let me tell you what, it's about the same thing. All right, got a nice little letter here. It says, "Hey man, been digging your channel." He must be really bored. "I sent you a sticker of my channel and a poker chip I created. Keep doing what you're doing. I really like your commentaries." This boy's got problems. Chopper Fett, awesome. Check out his channel, fun guy. And dude, check out these chips. Can you get a good shot at it? That's his bike. And then Chopper Fett. Yeah, dude, I'm digging that. I'd really like to give you some of those. So we're gonna put Chopper Fett up here by Tito and Phoenix Black. Yeah, Next one, hopefully this one's safe. Tommy G, rat-tat-tat-tat-tat. Yeah, out comes the banging. With the heavy machine gun. Where are we missing something? There it is, there it is, there it is. Tommy G sent me a couple PSP. He sent me a sticker in a black card. Tommy, thanks, man. Awesome, awesome. Where are we gonna put you at? Why not? We'll keep going this way. I like that. We'll put Tommy G over by the Chief McStache. Yeah. Tommy G sent a letter too. Said, hello, Mr. McStache. First, let me say to you and your family, thank you for your service to our country. I support veterans 100%. Thank you, brother. Veterans need support, especially in the mental area. As you can tell by watching my channel. Anyhow, I enjoy your YouTube channel and content. Another boy just off his rocker. I like your motorcycle meanderings. I'm currently working on my first vlog. Tommy, get up there, get it going, and we will send you some challenges like this here. Tommy G, rat-tat-tat, baby, firing off that gun. You got to. I want one of those. A buddy of mine did. Took a guitar case and carved it out for an AR-14. It's pretty cool. Let me tell you that. And then the last one is from Michigan. Don't worry, we had it all sanitized and all that stuff. Well, that ain't very nice. Look at that on the back. He wrote "Go Blow." Why would you write hashtag "Go Blow" on one of them? Oh, that ain't very nice, man. Ain't very nice. Big old Bodine 52. Check out his channel. His wife's kind of nice. He sent me a couple stickers and a spam card. Thank you, Bodine 52. I've been harassing him for I think about 2 years now, trying to get me a Bodine sticker. Actually, I wanted a Mrs. Bodine sticker, but that's the way it rolls. Hello, my friend. Hope you and the wife are well. Love seeing your channel grow. I appreciate you. Enclosed are my new stickers. Thank you for your support, Mr. Bodine 52. That's a good guy. We met with him and rode in the West Virginia Hootenanny. Him and HDR and D-Best 1A and Bronco Ride and D-Best. I did that, didn't I? I said that, didn't I? And a couple of the other ones, Oris 128. Bunch of guys out there. Oh my goodness, I can't name them all because I'll forget them all. But that's a good group of guys. We had a lot of fun with that. Hopefully we can do something like that again. Anyhow, thank you all for watching my channel. Sorry about the, I ain't got the mustache up and the beard's all. It's wearing that what is that we're wearing? The mask thing. That started. Now we got to wear masks. That's, whew. I don't like it, but you know what? We got to keep them safe. I don't know what that means. Thank you so much for watching. Love on your family. Check on your buddies and keep it rubber side down. If you ain't got enough motorcycle meanderings, there's a couple of videos you might want to check out. Thanks, y'all. Say you bye.